Madam Speaker, I'd like to thank the Honourable Member for this question, and indeed he's absolutely correct in stating the huge importance of Fiji Airways to the Fijian economy. Madam Speaker, the Fiji Airways actually has what they call the Fiji Airways Corporate Emergency Response Plan, which covers both Fiji Link and Fiji Airways in respect of such disasters that actually took place. Madam Speaker, just suffice to say that out of the 9 jet aircrafts that Fiji Airways had were all flown out with passengers during the actual crisis. All 8 Turbo Pro Fiji Link domestic aircraft were in the hangar, locked down. We also parked 13 other local operator aircraft inside the Fiji Airways hangar, including some of the helicopters. So we had a total of about 21 aircraft that were locked down in the Fiji Airways hangar. Some of them, of course, are owned privately, and our jet aircraft were all overseas. These are some of the precautionary measures that were taken. Of course, Madam Speaker, there are numerous other measures in respect of securing all the assets around the airport to ensure that Fiji Airways continue to operate as the disaster passed over Fiji. Madam Speaker, I also like to take the opportunity to also highlight once again that Fiji Airways is the only airline that flies into Fiji that operates immediately after any such natural disasters. Most of the all of the foreign aircraft, actually, Madam Speaker, stop flying. Fiji Airways is the only one that continues to fly, sometimes even quite rather precariously, but of course conforming with all the CAF required safety measures. And so it is therefore very, very critical for us to ensure that we put our weight behind Fiji Airways. And Fiji Airways has some very, very good measures in place to ensure that it continues to fly and service our country and indeed our economy. Thank you.